Today's video is a little bit different than what I usually do. I fished a section of a creek that I didn't even know you could access, really. It's a cold water creek. They do stock trout in it. Theoretically, there could be holdovers, so we were looking for some brown trout. We were also looking for some smallmouth. I had my 3-weight with me today, just the El Cheapo Amazon. It's actually the first rod I ever had. And we were fishing a hopper dropper at first, put some streamers later, and here's what happened today. It was a good day. Hope you all enjoy.
Chub.
Nice. You going to match the hatch? How are you matching the hatch?
I have a grasshopper and a little yellow midge.
I think I'm going to throw just a tiny little elk hair caddis.
Now, if I was smart, that's what I would do. But I already had this grasshopper on, you see. And I'm a bum.
We really might run into some brown trout.
I know it. That's kind of, whenever you asked, that was like kind of what I was hoping we would. I found where the red fern grows. He's in the game, boys. There's a tree there. I've seen about 1,800 of those little creek chubs take off for this.
Pretty elusive golden trout.
Oh,
Don't get the skunk on me today.
Drop the poles, boys. We are on them.
Drop the pole, creek chub in. That's a native too.
Yeah.
Native.
Oh, those are highly sought after.
Those are as native as they get.
They are. Nobody stocked those.
I know it is from my glasses fogging up.
I had one, but I suck. Is sort of my problem.
So you not fished this before though?
Never fished it this far down, no. I didn't know this was here. Could I get here again? Maybe. Oh, man, that water is cold. I bet you that water is still in the 60s.
I bet it is.
Maybe 70s.
That makes sense, but
Big old kingfisher's going nuts.
probably trying to eat all in
It's the otters. It's always them otters. Hey, if they keep us from getting skunked.
We've already caught 2 fish.
Yeah, I mean, we're basically professionals.
Like, I would consider this equivalent for a day on the South Holston.
Well, this just gets stocked more.
You think there'd be one sitting there?
I know it, like all that.
Yeah.
Looks perfect, really.
It's almost too good to be true, and that's why.
I know it's hard to give up quick on something like that. This looks like a good hole. Oh. Green sunfish. Tricked me.
I was excited.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought I had a trout.
I did too there for just a second.
Like, I was like, that is not.
That is not a minnow.
Hey, we caught something that's a real fish, right? That counts.
I just did a little bow and arrow cast when I first got in there. And immediately hit the water, every minnow scrammed.
That was a perfect cast to scare the crap out of everything in that hole. This is actually the Missouri River.
Missouri River's going dry, folks.
There's probably a country song in there somewhere. I said there's probably a country song in there somewhere. The Missouri River's going dry. I'm gonna give you first dibs at that, because I keep seeing stuff come up and rise. That's almost annoying. I don't think it's possible for your phone to not have service. I'm gonna leave that back there for you. That way if you screw it up, you did it, not me. Did you have a hit? What I would try to do is next time I'd try to catch it. Yeah, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll wait till they have it in their mouth. And then I'll set the hook.
Works pretty well too.
Yeah, most times. I can't believe that nothing in there is wanting to. Oh, I didn't.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
I was reeling up anyways. I was gonna try to make it sold.
Gotcha. They kept on rolling. Look at, it's a lot more unsettling from this angle, honestly. You can see how much that road hugs the cliff line there. There comes something. I saw him. Did you see him?
Yeah, I couldn't tell what he was though.
I couldn't either. Trout. I'm just kidding. No. I'd be alright with a smallmouth out of here too.
And that's gonna be 100 foot.
Yeah. Like actually. He got all those stupid worm things in the tree too. You see them?
The
Worm.
Yeah, all them bagworms. I didn't see those. I see them up there too, and then on the up.
Darren is very concerned about the driftwood.
You know, there's 9 different combinations you can make with last year's love.
You've said it so weird so many times, I don't know what's right. I believe I'm hung up, ain't I? The best course of action here.
The real question now.
What?
Do we want to go back?
You want to go to that next log jam and see, and then if it's like...
Yeah, I think that's a good one.
That'll, since we already...
Look at my map.
Oh, they're tiny. I don't even know. I really don't know what they are. I used to know what they were, but I don't remember.
I bet you anything. Trout, native, that's reproduced.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Oh man, that sounds crispy.
Make you a good deal on an encounter.
Yeah.
All jokes aside, I do have a spare reel in the bag.
No, it just needed. I think it's probably got sand in the drag somehow. It's always just the settling noise. Oh, there's another hole there.
Dude, it's getting deep now. This is kind of like
Where we should have started. I know. It's one of those places you take a step and you hear the bubbles. God. Hopefully this little streamer will do it. Ooh, that water's chilly. Right there is where I wanted to be. I cast it exactly where I wanted to be and hung it up. There's a log there, just in case anybody was wondering. Got something.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. No, I think it's a... Oh, it's a giant creek chub.
A giant creek chub.
Yeah, look at that.
Dude, that's insane. Wow.
Got my hopes up.
Honestly, man, do you think the trout just don't make it down here?
I really just like, truly, I don't know. I still haven't changed the rotors, but like I think, like, you ever change brake pads? You're like, I really need to change these rotors, but you're like,
Every time I change them, those are the original rotors.
you got 300,000 miles almost on them rotors?
Yes.
That's impressive. Is there a rotor?
No. Really, if I'm being honest.
You want one of these little, is that a bass?
That's a bass.
That's hilarious. Okay, that's kind of cool actually.
I was about to say.
That's actually kind of cool. Like, I'm not even mad.
I mean,
I didn't expect it. Did
I
you?
didn't either. No, I honestly didn't think it was bass.
That's pretty cool. That's definitely native. That's pretty cool. I'm almost as happy with that little bass as I would be a trout.
I think a bass.
Got another something. Bass.
Another one. Dude, that's insane.
That actually is. You think that they've come up here during the spawn and had all these up in here?
Are those Kentucky bass or?
They look like little largemouth. Really don't know. That's wild, ain't it?
Yeah. That looks like a largemouth to me.
That's what I was thinking.
We didn't catch a lot of fish. We didn't catch a lot of big fish. Well, we didn't catch any big fish, but we got to get out on some new water that we'd never been on before. And we did catch fish, even if they weren't huge. It's always a good time when you can do that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.